Let's start to cook the Chinese leek flour. Let's do the prep work first. Always prep your food before you start. And in this dish, it is so easy. Just 3 things you have to do. You have to slice the tofu up, pound the garlic, and slice the Chinese leek flour. That's all you have to do. So let's start with the Chinese leek flour. Let's cut it up. And you just cut it to about 2.5 cm, about 1 inch, this length. If you don't have Chinese leek flour, feel free to use some other vegetables like long beans or French bean, asparagus. It all works. So take this, put it away. It's one of those easy dishes that you can create when you're very tired from work, and it just takes a few minutes to do. Here you have it. First one done. Now comes the second one, which is the tofu. And this tofu I'm using is the firm tofu. Don't use the soft one, you need the firm one. So slice it up. I like to slice it this size. I'm going to slice it further. It's not, and then like this. Remember, it's firm tofu. So second ingredient prep. Now comes the garlic. The garlic, you have an option. You can either chop it or you can pound it. I prefer to pound it. So cloves of garlic go inside. I'm pounding because it removes, releases the essential oil. That's why I like to pound. Don't have to pound it very finely. Coarsely is good enough. It's done. Like I said, I don't want it finely, just coarsely. It's good. I like that little bit of coarseness in the garlic. That done. Put it aside. And there you have it. All the ingredients prepped up. Now it's time to cook it.